Hi guys, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Guys, today in this video I am going to show how to speed up your laptop. Guys, you can see here this is the Lenovo 6th generation i3. You can see guys, this Lenovo model number is i3 6th generation IdeaPad. You can see guys 320. So guys, in this video I am going to show how to speed up your laptop. So let's watch the full video. So guys, now I am going to opening the laptop. You can see guys, this laptop is very slow. So guys, in this laptop I will replace only this SSD. You can see this is the Flexer 256 GB. I will replace instead of a hard disk. Guys, if you want to speed up your laptop, you can contact with me. Link is available, contact number also available on the description box. You can see guys, this is the DVD drive. You can see guys, dust. I will remove this dust. You can see guys, this fan also. You can see guys, I will clean this dust. You can see this is the brush. You can see guys, I will power on this laptop. This laptop is need minimum 4 to 5 minutes to opening the window. You can see guys, this laptop is a inbuilt integrated RAM. You can see guys, there is no RAM. You can see this is the integrated RAM. You can see loading. Integrated 4 GB RAM. You can see guys. Now I will power off the laptop. Now I will clean and replace this hard disk. You can see guys, this is the hard disk. I will replace this hard disk. I will clean with this brush. Wait. So guys, now the fan is clean. You can see guys, So I will remove this hard disk. You can see guys, I am removing this hard disk. So I will install this SSD. You can see guys, to 56 GB. So guys, if you want to increase more RAM, you can insert in this slot. Now the SSD installation is complete. So guys, now I will close the laptop. You can see this is the back cover. You can see guys. Here I am already installed the OS in this SSD. So guys, now power on the laptop. You can see guys, you can check the speed now. 1 2 3 4. You can see guys. You can see guys, what is the how much speed up this laptop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share. If you want to increase your laptop speed, so guys, contact with me.